Hey guys, this is Jennifer Ryu and this is my demonstration speech slash video. I will be showing you how to make a California roll, and it's a pretty basic sushi roll, but it kind of gets a little tricky. So I'm going to go over the ingredients and the tools needed and show you how to roll one. First and foremost, we need rice. This is sushi rice. It's not basmati, it's not jasmine, it's just plain short grain white rice. This is actually what we eat every day, except that right now I have it cooled because we need cooled rice for sushi. And to that I added maybe a little, like maybe a teaspoon of this rice wine vinegar because we need a little bit of acidity in the rice. The ingredients that are going inside of it are cucumbers and avocados. The cucumbers I pitted the seeds because I find the seeds make it too moist and makes the wrap a little soggy later on. And then this is imitation crab meat. You can use these ones, or you can use the lump ones, or you can use real crab meat. It's totally up to you. Usually I mix it with a little bit of Japanese mayo, which is a little sweeter than American mayo, but I didn't have any, so I just mixed it with the Best Foods mayo and Miracle Whip. And this is how the sticks come. They come in the frozen department at the Asian store. I just cut them in half because they're a little too long to utilize them. Another main ingredient are nori sheets. These are seaweed. This is not the toasted and salted kind that you can buy like at Costco in the little square packages. This actually comes like this. It's not toasted, so it's more pliable. We have masago or tobiko, which is a fish roe. You guys don't have to use this, but this is a common topper. Another common topper that you guys are probably more familiar with are toasted sesame seeds. All right, the tool that you need is this. It's bamboo skewers tied together with twine. I wrapped it in saran wrap because it makes it easier to maneuver the rice off of it. They come like this. They're like $1 or $2 like at Daiso or any Asian market. So that's pretty much it. So here we go. So what you want to do is grab a sheet of nori, place it on your mat, take a spoon, or in my case a rice scooper, and you want to take some rice and you want to evenly distribute it onto your nori. I have a little bit of bowl of water to dampen my fingers to help me move the rice a little easier because rice is sticky, of course. Not too much water, but just enough to make the rice a little more pliable without being so sticky. So you go and do this. You don't have to totally cover it. It does look a little nicer when you do, but honestly, I don't like too much rice on my sushi because it's too filling, I think. So, but that's totally up to you. You kind of want to put a little pressure to get the rice down onto the nori, but not too much where you're smashing it. So when you're satisfied with how much rice you have on your nori wrap, you want to take this, flip it upside down. So it's like that. And now we can add the ingredients. You don't have to do it in this order, but I just find it easier for me to do. I take 2 cucumber slices and I kind of center it more towards the center versus the outside, because when we put pressure when we're rolling this, it will kind of push it out. So you kind of want to center it towards the edge. And then you take your avocado slices, and I take 2 and do the same, kind of pile it in the middle. And then you take the crab meat and you put it like so, as much as or as little as you want. Taster's preference. I think that's good enough. Okay, so this is kind of the tricky part. So everything is more towards the edge, towards you. What you do is lift the bamboo with the seaweed and you tuck and roll, kind of like a burrito. You tuck the ingredients and you roll the seaweed like so with the bamboo wrap, and you apply a little pressure, and then you just pull on the bamboo wrap part a little up and roll and pressure. Repeat pull the bamboo skewers up a little bit and apply pressure. And then one more time like so. Okay. And ta-da, you have this. So what you can do is after you've done that, do it just one more time, just to make sure it's like tightly wrapped. And this is your California roll. So you want to grab a platter and you top it with sesame seed or the tobiko, it's up to you. We'll just sesame seed this one. Apply as much as or as little as you want. Just roll it in there. All right, now I'm gonna get my cutting board real quick. So, grab a big knife, place your roll here. You wanna dampen your knife a little bit, so I just have a wet cloth and I just put a little water, just makes it easier to cut. And just kind of seesaw it and then just dab. Like once again, like so, and you have a California roll. And you can enjoy that with soy sauce and wasabi or just by itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys will watch this and try on your own. It does take a little practice, but even the messed up ones are pretty tasty. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Cheers!